After evading arrest for over 2 weeks, the law seems to be finally catching up with controversial self-styled godman Rampal. The arrested godman was produced by the Haryana police in the Punjab and Haryana High Court in Chandigarh on Thursday in a case of contempt of court after he failed to appear in court thrice despite non-bailable warrants against him. The High Court cancelled his bail in a 2006 murder case and sent him to judicial custody in the contempt of court case till the 28th of November. It also directed the Haryana DGP to file an affidavit detailing the operation carried out to arrest Rampal from his ashram in Barwala in Haryana's Hisar district, the casualties and injuries sustained in the operation and the recovery of weapon, if any, during the search operation in the ashram. In Rampal's defence, his counsel claimed that he couldn't appear in the court since he was kept in captivity inside the ashram.
खंडपीठ ने डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ पुलिस हरियाणा को निर्देश दिया है कि वह एक कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव या डिटेल्ड एफिडेविट दायर करे अगली तारीख तक, जो कि 28 नवंबर है। कोई मृत्यु हुई, कोई चोटें लगी, कोई आर्म्स या एम्युनिशन यहां से रिकवर किए गए या नहीं।
सच्चाई है कि वो पहले बीमार थे और वो खुद कैप्टिविटी में थे, खुद बंधक बनाया हुआ था उनको, इसलिए वो कोर्ट में पेश नहीं हो पाए। पुलिस उनको लेके आई है बचा के और वो कोर्ट में पेश हो गए। पहले भी ये कोर्ट में 5 साल तक लगातार पर्सनली पेश होते रहे सेशन कोर्ट में।
The Haryana DGP revealed that around 450 persons have been arrested so far on various charges in connection with a standoff that came to an end on Wednesday night with the arrest of the godman, and a search operation is underway to recover arms and ammunition from inside the ashram.
2 अन्य मुकदमे FIR नंबर 429 और 430 भी थाना बरवाला में दर्ज किए गए हैं। दोनों ही ये मुकदमे मर्डर से संबंधित हैं और जो 6 मृत्यु हुई हैं वो इन दोनों मुकदमों में कवर की गई हैं और इन मुकदमों में इन मृत्युओं का आरोप रामपाल और उसके सहयोगियों पर मुकदमा दर्ज कराने वाले इन मृतकों के वारिसान ने लगाया है।
Earlier, Rampal was taken for a mandatory medical test at a government hospital in Panchkula, where all his health parameters were found to be stable. Claiming innocence, the 63-year-old godman rejected the charges levelled by some of his followers that they were forcibly kept inside the ashram by his private armed commandos and other henchmen as human shields against police action.
वो सब झूठे हैं। और आपके जो जिस तरीके से नहीं, वो तो मैंने थोड़ा किया।
Rampal supporters fought pitched battles with security personnel outside his Barwala ashram on Tuesday to prevent them from arresting him, leaving over 200 injured. Authorities slapped sedition and other serious charges against him and several of his followers following the violence. After arresting Rampal on Wednesday, the police recovered 6 bodies from the ashram. The cause of the death is being probed. The self-styled godman had failed to appear before the High Court on 3 dates and was facing non-bailable warrants. The High Court had suo motu taken up the issue of cancellation of bail in the murder case on November 10th when Rampal failed to appear in the contempt case. On Monday, the High Court directed that Rampal be produced on the 21st of November, but accepted a Haryana police application to produce him in court on Thursday. Rampal has a checkered past with charges of murder, assault, criminal intimidation and forgery against him, besides fresh charges of contempt of court and sedition. With bureau inputs, Ajay Vikram Singh's report, DD News.